Here's a tip to help you get ready. Have you ever wondered what a cough really is? Well, we've all had food go down the wrong way, and when we have a partial airway obstruction, we cough. Well, a cough is actually your diaphragm, the big muscle underneath your lungs, hitting the lungs and forcing the air out and helping to clear our airway. When we take a breath in, and now we breathe out, our lungs are still 90% full of air. So there's lots of air to cough. Now, if a person's coughing, let them cough and stay with them. If it becomes completely obstructed, they can't cough. And the reason is the diaphragm simply isn't strong enough. So if we take our fist in our arms and put it underneath the diaphragm and pull up quickly and hard into the diaphragm and stomach, we can now push out that air and clear their airway. It becomes an artificial super cough. If you've enjoyed this content, please check out the Ready First Aid app. Go to readyfirstaide.com.